So a couple of years ago, I began to struggle with some skin issues, and that triggered off a lot of insecurity in me. It got to a point where I could barely leave the house because I was so nervous of anybody looking at me. So I began to share on social media the stuff that I was going through, and I would get stories and messages from these women and girls sharing with me how they were struggling too. And this provided the inspiration behind the project, Beauty in Bloom. So on the shoot, I was profiling these girls based on the insecurities that they'd shared with me, how they opened their hearts and their vulnerabilities. But when we're here in this moment and we're capturing these pictures, I never notice the flaws. You're always looking at the eyes, the movement of the face, the way the light hits and plays across features, and the beauty in their expression and their form, and this kind of interesting dance between subject and photographer is where you have to get past the guard that we all put up and essentially capture a moment of vulnerability, of something real, something authentic. And that's what I find really exciting. So for me, this project is just by giving back to these wonderful women who support and follow me, and essentially reminding us we are not our flaws, we are so much more.